Hello everyone, this is Larry with your WTR Quick Rundown on Budget Rent-A-Car. Budget is a car rental company with a presence across the globe. With more than 3,000 locations worldwide, the company offers short and long-term car rental as well as special services, such as moving trucks. Budget consistently provides low prices on car rentals while also offering good customer service and support. Budget offers comprehensive roadside assistance for an additional daily charge, which includes services such as key replacement and emergency fuel delivery should you run out of gas. Budget's Fast Break program can save you time collecting and returning your vehicle by skipping the rental counter. However, at an average of $13 per day, Budget's additional driver fee is significantly higher than some competitors. Bottom line, Budget offers a good range of cars worldwide and provides customers with excellent prices, particularly when vehicle rentals are paid for in advance. Please visit watchthereview.com for more in-depth reviews.